Hey everybody, it's Jen at Ink Paper Rubber. I am back as I told you I would be today to let you know what came in that's new. I actually got 2 shipments in, and this is from the first shipment. Hopefully I will have a chance to get to the other one before I have to go today. I had to get a new phone today. My phone died, and so that took part of my day up, and I'm going to have to leave a little bit early because it's my husband's birthday today. But let me go ahead and show you this, and then I'll go to work on the other and see where we can get. First of all, as I mentioned yesterday, I have some more glitter goodies that came in today. Of course, on Saturday, our demo Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock is on glitter techniques, so I wanted to have lots of fun things for you to play with. With that, I did get some new glitters in, which I will show you in a minute, but I also got some stickers in because stickers are great to use with glitter, and that's one of the things that I will show you on Saturday if you have never used them with glitter. So I did get some stickers in. These are all outline stickers. It is a little bit tough to tell when they're on the sheet here because the background is the same color as the outline sticker, but I think you can see there when you pull it up that there's going to be a lot of open space on that if you use it with glitter, that will show through. This one, the outline is black, and these are some fun owls. I thought those would be fun for Halloween. These are gold leaves. Of course, those will be perfect for fall. There's also some acorns and some pumpkins in there. I know we're about to the end of the spring and summer, but butterflies are always in season, and butterflies look amazing with glitter, so I had to get some butterflies. And finally, with the Christmas season coming up, I wanted to be sure and get some Christmas ornaments. So those are the stickers that we have. Of course, you can also use your you can use glitter with your die cuts as opposed to stickers like we did here. One thing that is really important if you're going to use either the die cuts or the stickers is to have a clear double-sided adhesive sheet, and that's what these are. These are from Elizabeth Craft. They are 6x6, and there are 5 of them in a pack, and you can cut them to the size that you need. All right, let me go ahead and show you the new glitters that I got in today. I have 5 new glitters, and 2 of them are basically white glitters, and they probably look very similar to you on here. It's the warm diamond and the cool diamond, but in person, as you tilt it in the light, you can tell, maybe there you can see a little bit of the gold sheen on the warm, and there's a little bit of a blue-green sheen there on that one. But look what happens when you put it on the black. There is the warm diamond on the black. It really has a really gold sheen to it. And here is the cool diamond. You can definitely see the blues and the greens that show up in there. The others are all opaque glitters, and while there is a little bit of difference, the color doesn't change drastically between the white and black. First up is green. I got this one because this is a really good Christmas green, which the Nuvo Sparkle Dust has a pretty green, but it's more of an olive or limey green, and this is a really nice Christmas green. I also got this one here primarily because I just thought it was beautiful. It's called Speckled Indigo, and I think you can see there it's basically purple, but there's definitely some blues and some magentas in there that show up with it. And finally, Royal Teal is a really gorgeous one as well. It's a really pretty teal color, but it does have some flecks of turquoise in it as well. All right, a few other things besides glitter. First of all, I did get back in the Nuvo glitters in the Kiwi and also in the Paradise Blue because those are 2 of the colors that we used on this particular card here. Also got back in more of the Echo Park Halloween journaling cards cut apart. These had sold out pretty quickly, and so I got more of them in. We're going to be doing a class on them coming up later this month, and I'm sure that they will sell out fast when people see those cards. Few odds and ends here. This doesn't look like much. This is a Prismacolor blender pencil, and this is a blender pencil that is great to use if you're doing coloring with colored pencils. We were doing that in a class last week and didn't have any, and some people asked me to order them. So I got those in if you like to color with colored pencils. Also got in a couple of pan pastel colors for someone. So these may be ones that you don't have and would like to add to your collection. This one here is the violet tint. You can see it's a very, very pale violet. And this one is the titanium white, which is really great because if you aren't aware of it, you can actually blend your pan pastels, and so you can add white to any of the colors that you have to make them a paler version of that color. Last thing in this order is a new Brutus Monroe 6x6 paper pad. This one is called Abstract Elements. You can see that there's 12 different designs here, and these are pretty bold colors. They kind of have, I think you can see here, a marbled paper look. I just think these are really amazing. So I got that. And one last thing I did want to show you. I got this in yesterday, if I can find it here. And I'm not even sure if I showed it to you or not yesterday. I'm pretty sure if I did, I didn't talk about it. So I wanted to be sure and show this to you today. This was a clear stamp set that we got in yesterday, and this one is called Santa and Small Christmas Trees. And you can see that there is a silhouette of a Santa with the reindeer, but there are also these Christmas trees, and they're just the really basic triangle trees. You can see there's a background, and then you have all different overlays that you can put on it. You have the center of the trees there. You have some stars. Also this moon up here, which is what first attracted me to this. And then if you can see kind of those little squiggles there, you're probably wondering what those are. Well, if you look on the back here, you can see some samples where they have stamped those with the solid background and some of the overlays. But if you look there, underneath that one are the little dots, kind of like maybe like little snow on the ground. And then those little squiggles down there are like showing the ground. So that's just a way to indicate the ground to ground your Christmas trees. And there you can see is that pretty moon that's stamped on there. So didn't remember if I showed you that. I wanted to be sure and do it. All right, that's it for right now. I'm going to go to getting my other order set up, and hopefully I'll be back today and show it to you. If not, I will be back and show it to you tomorrow morning. Hope you all have a great night. Goodbye.